Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my crochet pattern, the offset granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the slip stitch, and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. There are several different ways that you can start your square. You can use the magic ring, you can use the slip stitch method, or the chain 4 method, which is what I'm going to be using for my square, and you can see I've already made 4 chains on my hook right here. I will have all those methods listed down below so you can pick which one you're most comfortable with. But again, I'm going to start with the chain 4 method. So I'm going to start by using the chain 4 method, and I'm going to work a regular granny square. I'm going to do the first 2 rows of a regular granny square. So I'm going to work 1 double crochet into the 4th chain for my hook. I'm then going to work 1 more double crochet into that same chain. That's going to be 1 granny block of the chain 3, which is going to count as 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet made. I'm going to chain 2. And I'm going to make another granny block of 3 double crochet into that same chain that we're working into, this center chain right here. I do have a tutorial on how to make a basic granny square, and I can have that listed down below as well. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into the center, chain 2, 3 double crochet into that center, chain 2, slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you had made to end your row. So you can see that we made a little square. We're going to do another row. 1, 2, 3. Work a double crochet into this open area right here of this corner. It is going to work over the chain 3 you just made. And work 1 more into that same space. It's going to be 1 granny block. Chain 1, work a granny block, chain 2, and a granny block all in this corner space right here. So 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, same thing, just like a regular granny square. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet onto this corner. Chain 2. Same thing over in this corner. 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, skip over to this corner over here. You're going to make 3 double crochet and then a chain 2, and then you're going to connect it with this granny block that we had made. So 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you had made in this row to complete that square. So we did 2 rows of a basic granny square. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do the offset part. You are going to want to finish off your square or fasten off your work so you can change colors. I'm going to bring in my new color. You're going to want to attach your color into any corner space. Chain 3. Work 2 double crochet because it's going to be a granny block of 3. chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, you come to a corner, you're going to want to do a granny block, chain 2 granny block, so 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into this next open space, you come to a corner. So the offset granny square is worked only on 2 sides. So now that we've come to our other corner of our second side, we're actually only going to work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. And then you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have so far. So you've done your next row on 2 sides, and then you're going to chain 4, and we're going to work the other side. You're going to only work on these 2 sides. So we're going to turn our work for our next row. You're then going to work 3 double crochet into this open space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, work 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, come to a corner. So you're going to work a granny block, chain 2 granny block, so 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. We've come to the end of our row where we have a block left. You're going to chain 1, you're going to make a double crochet into the last stitch. So this is what we have so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in a new color. You would actually just repeat these 2 rows that I had done in the pink for any future rows that you want to do for how big you want your square. I'm going to do 2 more rows in another color, and then I'm going to do a border just to show you guys. So here is my new color. 1, 2, 3 chains with the new color. I'm going to get rid of my pink color. Turn your work. We have 3 chains, which are going to count as a double crochet. Work 2 double crochet into this open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, we've come to a corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So you guys can see how the pattern is now repeating. We're doing the same things that we've been doing, we're just doing them in a different color. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into this open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. chain 1. We've come to the last open space of our row. We're going to work 3 double crochet. You're going to chain 3. You're going to chain 4. The reason being, if you remember how we went over here on our last pink row, we did a chain and then a double crochet. The reason being is it's going to leave an open space over this one, over this previous block. So it's going to follow the pattern. So we're going to skip over this block completely. We're going to work 3 double crochet into the previous open space right here. So you can see that chain 4 made an open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into the corner. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet to turn. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1. We've come to where there's a block. You're going to want to do a double crochet into the last chain. It's basically the 3 chains that you had made, but the last stitch. It's going to leave an open space. All right, I'm going to bring in my next color to do the border. But if you wanted to make your square any bigger than this, again, you would repeat either these 2 rows or these 2 rows. They're the same thing, just in different colors, for however big you want your square. All right, I've brought in my new color. 1, 2, 3 chains on that new color. Get rid of my old color. I'm going to turn my work. And then I'm going to work 2 double crochet into this first open space because I've made that 3 chains, which is going to count as a double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. You're going to want to repeat that until you reach a corner. Chain 1, corner. We're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet all into the corner. Chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1. We've come to the end of this row. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat this as a corner now. We're going to treat it as a regular corner like we did over here. We're going to do 2 granny blocks and 2 chains. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. all in that corner space, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next open space, three double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, we've come to the corner. So you're going to work a regular corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1. In our last row, we're going to work 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next open space. It's not the last one. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the last open space, which is this corner up here. You're then going to chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to slip stitch into the first chains that we had made in this row to complete your row out. So that is going to be how to make the offset granny square. Again, you would make a regular granny square the first 2 rows, then you would do 2 rows on just the 2 sides, and you can repeat that for any future rows that you want to make. And then if you want to add a border, I did want to show you guys how you would add that border. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.